July Bamboo is one of the leading units in the field of bamboo processing, specializing in producing high-quality bamboo panels from raw materials such as natural bamboo sticks. The processing process is meticulously carried out through many stages to ensure the quality and outstanding aesthetics of the finished product. First, bamboo trees that meet the standards of age and quality are harvested and carefully classified. This stage helps to select the best raw materials, ensuring that the output product has durability and natural beauty. After selection, the raw bamboo sticks are cut into small pieces, removing the outer shell and bamboo buds. At the same time, they are boiled or steam treated to remove impurities, natural sugars, and prevent insect damage. The next step is drying. The bamboo sticks are put into a drying system with strictly controlled temperature and humidity. This helps to ensure that the bamboo sticks reach the standard humidity, avoiding warping or cracking during use. When the required dryness is reached, the bamboo slats will be pressed and joined together using high-pressure heat pressing technology, combined with safe biological glue. This process creates bamboo panels with high durability, solid structure, and environmental friendliness. After completing the structure, the bamboo panels will undergo a surface treatment stage. The surface of the bamboo panels is cut, polished, and coated with a finishing layer such as UV paint or natural oil. These protective layers not only help the bamboo panels retain their natural beauty but also increase their resistance to mold and abrasion during use. To ensure the highest quality products, July Bamboo conducts rigorous quality tests according to international standards. Finally, the finished bamboo panels will be carefully packaged, ready to be exported to major markets around the world. Schuler is more than just a barrel maker. They are coopers, continuing a centuries-old tradition. Based in Germany, they've become renowned for producing high-quality oak barrels crucial for aging fine wines. Their deep understanding of wood, meticulous craftsmanship, and unwavering commitment to quality at every stage distinguish them in the industry. The journey of a Schuler barrel begins long before it reaches a winery, starting with careful oak selection in specific forests known for tight grain and desirable characteristics. The harvested wood undergoes air drying for several years, a vital step that reduces moisture content and mellows tannins. This natural seasoning is essential for the final barrel's quality. Following seasoning, the oak logs are riven or split along the grain, a traditional method preserving wood fibers for strength and leak prevention. These riven staves are then shaped using specialized tools, giving them the characteristic barrel curve. The next stage is raising the barrel, where the shaped staves are carefully assembled around a temporary hoop, forming the basic barrel shape. This delicate process demands skill and precision. Then comes toasting, a crucial step where the barrel's interior is toasted over an open fire, imparting unique flavors and aromas to the wine. The toasting level, light, medium, or heavy, is carefully controlled to achieve the desired effect, transforming the wood's chemical compounds and releasing aromatic compounds like vanillin and lactones that contribute to the wine's complexity. After toasting, the barrel is tightened and secured with metal hoops, and the exterior is finished. The barrel head's ends are then fitted, with each step involving precise measurements and careful handcrafting. Several key elements define Schuler's approach: deep wood expertise, including proper wood selection and seasoning, maintaining traditional techniques like riving, crucial for quality, precise toasting to impart specific flavors tailored to different wine styles, and stringent quality control throughout the entire process. The result of Schuler's dedication is a barrel that actively contributes to the wine's character. The oak imparts subtle flavors, tannins, and aromas, enhancing the wine's complexity and aging potential. In a world of mass production, Schuler stands as a testament to the enduring value of craftsmanship and tradition. Their commitment to creating high-quality oak barrels reflects their passion for winemaking and dedication to excellence, ensuring that wine aged in a Schuler barrel receives the best possible start to its aging journey. Bricawood International has developed an innovative construction system based on the principle of prefabricated wooden blocks that do not require nails, glue, or any adhesives. These special wooden blocks are designed like bricks, which can be easily fitted together with a perfect joint mechanism, allowing for quick and precise assembly. This prefabricated wooden wall system not only provides effective thermal and acoustic insulation, but also helps to optimize energy conservation. Once the wall is installed, components such as windows, doors, and roofs are fully integrated, creating a comfortable and modern living space. Bricawood International places special emphasis on sustainability. The wood is sourced from sustainably managed forests, and the entire assembly process is geared towards minimizing waste and environmental impact. The production of particle board, a process that utilizes wood byproducts, is where its value lies. KBOARD sources wood chips, shavings, and sawdust from various sources like sawmills and lumber yards, prioritizing sustainable sources and utilizing recycled wood whenever possible. This raw material then undergoes preparation to achieve consistent size and moisture content. This involves chipping larger pieces, screening for uniform particle size, and drying the material in large dryers. Consistency is crucial, as uniform particles lead to a more uniform final product. Next, the dried wood particles are mixed with a resin binder, a crucial step determining the final board's strength and durability. KBOARD uses various resins, often urea formaldehyde, UF, or melamine urea formaldehyde, MUF, depending on the intended use, carefully controlling the resin-to-wood ratio for desired properties. This resin-coated mixture is then distributed onto a moving belt or forming line, creating a loose mat of wood particles. This distribution is carefully controlled for uniform density throughout the board, sometimes using a finer particle layer on the surface for a smoother finish. The loose mat then enters a large hot press, applying high pressure and heat to activate the resin and bond the particles into a solid panel. This pressing process is precisely controlled in terms of pressure, temperature, and time to achieve the desired thickness and density. After pressing, the hot boards are cooled to prevent warping and further curing before being trimmed to standard sizes. Further finishing processes like sanding or coating may occur depending on customer requirements. Several key aspects define KBOARD's manufacturing: resource efficiency through utilizing wood waste, reducing reliance on virgin timber, precise control over every production stage for consistent quality, customization of board properties like density and thickness to meet specific needs, and cost-effectiveness compared to solid wood, making it a popular choice. The result is a versatile and cost-effective material used in furniture, cabinetry, shelving, and construction. While not ideal for all situations due to moisture susceptibility, particle board plays an important role in modern woodworking and manufacturing, with KBOARD's expertise ensuring a consistent and reliable product. Artisan is a luxury furniture brand from Bosnia and Herzegovina, known for its exquisite handcrafted products made from natural wood. One of Artisan's signature products is the lattice chair, a minimalist, luxurious chair designed to celebrate the natural beauty of wood and the craftsmanship of the craftsman. Artisan only uses carefully selected hardwoods such as oak, walnut, or ash from sustainably managed forests. The wood is tested for moisture content, texture, and color to ensure consistency and suitability for the design. The raw wood is dried naturally and in a kiln to reach the ideal moisture content, around 8 to 10%, ensuring durability and preventing warping after processing. This process lasts for several weeks to ensure that the quality of the wood is not affected by sudden changes in temperature or humidity. The wood pieces are cut and pre-machined using CNC machines, ensuring absolute precision and size. The connecting parts of the chair, such as the frame and legs, are cut and assembled using traditional wooden mortise and tenon joints for added strength and stability. The main components such as the chair legs, backrest frame, and seat are assembled with high precision, ensuring no gaps or misalignment. The joints are reinforced with specialized wood glue or hidden rivets to maintain a seamless, minimalist look. The wood surface is hand-treated in several stages: sanding, natural oil or beeswax coating. Each finish is left to dry naturally and polished to create a soft, smooth surface. The lattice chair by Artisan is not just a piece of furniture, but also a work of art that combines traditional crafting techniques and modern design. Stockley Swiss Sports AG is based in Malters, Switzerland. Stockley has been crafting high-performance skis since 1935. Unlike mass-produced skis, Stockley focuses on quality over quantity, producing a smaller number of skis annually with meticulous attention to detail and significant handcrafting. The process begins with careful core selection, often using a combination of different wood types like lightweight woods for agility and denser woods for stability. The next crucial step is layering and laminating. Stockley builds the ski layer by layer, using materials like fiberglass, carbon fiber, and Titanal, carefully arranged and laminated to achieve specific performance characteristics like flex, torsional stiffness, and overall feel. Once the layers are bonded, the ski is shaped using precision CNC milling machines, ensuring accurate dimensions and consistent performance. Stockley's expertise in metal manipulation is evident in their precise CNC milling. Following shaping, the ski base, typically made of polyethylene, is applied, and steel edges are precisely inserted along the sides for grip and control. These edges are essential for carving and turning. The final stage is where handcrafting truly shines. Stockley's skilled technicians meticulously finish each ski, including grinding the base, sharpening the edges, and applying protective coatings. This meticulous attention to detail ensures a smooth, fast, and durable ski.